request Reena ma'am to please share her thoughts.
Good afternoon and welcome all of you to this post-lunch session. From the morning we are listening a lot about what is M2M, what kind of different ministries and organizations and individuals are using M2M in various fields, various services, and how it is going to benefit everyone. Not repeating all that thing, few points which I can say is that M2M, where it could have come up on its own, has come. We can take example of finance sector, where credit card swipe machines you are using from so many years, which have proliferated and matured. But there also regulator in terms of RBI has played a key role, where they have made favorable policies for interoperabilities and all those things, so that life can be made easier for individuals, so that they can use any credit card at any swipe machine, any ATM, any place. So they have brought M2M in finance in that sector to that level. Second, I can talk about automobile. Today in India, almost every commercial vehicle is connected using M2M in some way or other, and that has happened because it doesn't require much intervention from any side. But when we talk about infrastructure and see globally how infrastructure is proliferating and where M2M is taken significant lead, the countries where government has taken lead, government has come up with support and favorable policies and action, infrastructure projects have become reality and happening in those countries. In India also we want that such kind of things happen, and from DoT side we are committed to bring policies and standard support so that India also can be in the leading side on the M2M domain. We have many eminent speakers here which are going to talk about infrastructure things, so I will not take much time. I will just try to set rules so that we can listen to everyone and get time. I can request all of them to have 15 minutes of the time. I will request to complete the talk and presentation within 12 minutes kind of things, and then 2-3 minutes can be taken for Q&A from everyone, so that all benefits are there. With these words, I would request our first speaker, Shri Prem Narayan ji, to give his thought, share his thoughts.